Weekly update issue 17. Many of you have asked whether our dual flywheel and dual bridge eco strategy could lead to distraction or drift. In fact, it's the opposite. This is not about losing focus, but about strengthening our foundation. Automaking is a long cycle, high investment, slow return, but a high value industry. One of the core challenges FF is facing is that before hitting positive operating cash flow, how do we promote long-term and stable capital supply? Our C10 Treasury is designed for this. By accumulating and compounding the world's top 10 crypto coin portfolio, it has the potential to provide a continuous and sustained capital support for our main business, EAIEV, truly delivering dual-engine growth from both capital and industry. On Friday, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell signaled that a rate cut may come as early as September. His remarks gave a major boost to capital markets. U.S. equities move higher, while crypto reacts faster and stronger. The market priced in liquidity easing more directly, creating a clear upside for our C10 Treasury, as the C10 index was up nearly 6% on Friday. This week, both flywheels achieved important progress. On S1 ecosystem, the influence of our dual flywheel plus dual bridge unveiling event continues to grow in the US. It has sparked meta chemistry, cross-sector outreach in automotive, finance, and Web3 created a multi-domain resonance. As a result, FF and FX received cross-industry attention and the fall exceeded expectations. We will double our efforts to quickly elevate FF and FX influence in the US market to another level. This week, FX Super One successfully completed the first round of development tests for occupant of interior impact protection under US Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards. FMVSS is recognized as one of the world's most complete and rigorous automotive safety regulations. It's a prerequisite for entering the US market and also sets standards for automotive design, manufacturing, and testing worldwide. FX Super One must meet the requirements of the US, the Middle East, and the future global markets. This requires testing at the highest standards. We will continue advancing vehicle testing, development, and validation to build a strong foundation for Super One's high safety standards. Moving on to S4 product execution and delivery. This week, we visited the Hanford manufacturing facility to oversee FX Super One's trial production. Thanks to the hard work of our manufacturing team, around 60% of the trial production process planning had already been completed. Next, the team will continue comprehensive validation of production processes, refine work procedures, establish and enhance the quality control system, and carry out dedicated skill training in parallel. The first dedicated $30 million financing commitment for C10 Treasury closed this week. We expect to begin the first round of assets allocation next week. Our plan is to gradually deploy the full $30 million over the coming weeks. 80% will be allocated passively according to the C10 index, while 20% will be actively managed. We will share portfolio holding and performance updates in future weekly reports. C10 Treasury as a short cycle, fast-paced, high-value and cash cow investment due to steady staking interests could serve as a financial engine of the entire listed company FFAI and help accelerate the implementation and execution of the EAIEV strategy. Next week, our Super One co-creation and sales campaign will officially kick off across 8 US states. Over the next weekend, I'll make a short trip to the Nevada desert, bringing FX Super One to Burning Man. We also plan to announce an important update there. Burning Man has become a global utopia where leading minds in technology, art, and business pursue creativity and idealism. Google's founders once recruited Eric Schmidt at Burning Man. Schmidt went on to lead Google for decades, driving its rapid expansion and cementing Google's dominance in the Web 2 era. Starting August 28, Super One will also make its debut in Massachusetts, where we and our FFAI partners will host 2 consecutive co-creation and sales events in the Boston area. At the same time, our New York-based B2B partner, Alps, will launch a week-long roadshow campaign. On August 30th, FF headquarters will host a special event, the inaugural North American Go Global Stand-Up Comedy Festival and FF Super One Showcase. Joe Wong, the first Chinese stand-up comedian to have roasted a U.S. president live at the White House, will join entrepreneurs, founders, and global expansion pioneers for co-creation and exchange. We will see you next week.